Sharks. The very word evokes a sense of awe and primal fear. They are often portrayed as solitary hunters, roaming the vast ocean depths alone. This perception, however, is slowly changing. Recent research is revealing a fascinating truth. Sharks are not solitary creatures after all. Many species exhibit complex social behaviors, forming bonds and displaying preferences for companionship. Scientists employ ingenious methods to study the elusive and often mysterious lives of sharks. These majestic creatures, often misunderstood, hold secrets that can only be uncovered through innovative research techniques. One of the primary goals is to unravel the complexities of shark social lives. Understanding how these apex predators interact with one another can provide insights into their behavior, migration patterns, and even their role in the marine ecosystem. Acoustic telemetry is one such method that has revolutionized marine biology. This technology involves the use of sound waves to track the movements of sharks in their natural habitat. Researchers carefully tag sharks with small transmitters that emit unique sound signals. These tags are attached to the dorsal fin or other parts of the shark, ensuring minimal disruption to their natural behavior. The emitted signals are picked up by an array of underwater receivers strategically placed in the ocean. This network of receivers allows scientists to track the shark's movements and interactions over extended periods. Another fascinating approach is social network analysis. This method borrows concepts from human social networks to understand the relationships and social structures within shark populations. By meticulously observing sharks in their natural habitat, researchers can map out their interactions and relationships. This involves noting which sharks spend time together, how often they interact, and the nature of these interactions. These detailed observations reveal social preferences and hierarchies within shark groups. For instance, some sharks may form tight-knit groups, while others prefer to remain solitary. Understanding these dynamics can help in conservation efforts and in predicting how shark populations might respond to environmental changes. The findings from these studies are painting a fascinating picture of shark sociality. Some species, it turns out, form remarkably stable social groups, with individuals remaining together for months or even years. These groups are not random assemblages. Rather, they exhibit clear preferences for certain companions. Just like humans, sharks seem to have their favorite buddies. These findings challenge the long-held belief that sharks are driven purely by instinct and highlight a previously underappreciated level of social complexity. Gray reef sharks, inhabitants of coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific, are a prime example of shark sociality. They form groups that engage in coordinated hunting strategies, increasing their success in catching prey. These sharks also demonstrate a social hierarchy within their groups, with some individuals holding dominant positions. This complex social structure suggests a level of intelligence and adaptability that has surprised many scientists. Lemon sharks, found in coastal waters of the Americas, provide another fascinating case study. Young lemon sharks form nursery groups in shallow waters, benefiting from the safety in numbers. As they mature, these sharks maintain some level of social interaction, even as adults. While not as tightly knit as gray reef shark groups, these interactions suggest that sociality plays a role throughout the lemon shark's life cycle. Section 6. Conservation Implications: Protecting Social Structures. Understanding shark social behavior is not just an academic pursuit, it has crucial implications for conservation efforts. Sharks are not solitary creatures, they form complex social structures that are vital for their survival. These social interactions can include hunting in groups, establishing hierarchies, and even forming long-term bonds. By studying these behaviors, scientists can gain insights into the needs and vulnerabilities of shark populations. Sharks are facing unprecedented threats from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. Overfishing not only reduces their numbers, but also disrupts their social structures. Habitat destruction, such as coral reef damage and ocean pollution, further exacerbates these issues. Climate change is altering ocean temperatures and currents, affecting the availability of prey and suitable habitats for sharks. These combined threats make it more important than ever to understand and protect shark social structures. If we are to protect these magnificent creatures, we need to consider their social needs. Conservation strategies must go beyond simply protecting individual sharks. They must also preserve the social networks that are crucial for their survival. This means creating marine protected areas that safeguard key habitats and social gathering spots. It also involves implementing fishing regulations that minimize disruptions to shark social groups. For example, fishing regulations that disrupt social groups could have unintended consequences for shark populations. When social groups are broken up, it can lead to increased stress, reduced reproductive success, and even higher mortality rates. By taking into account the social dynamics of sharks, we can create more effective and sustainable fishing practices that help maintain healthy shark populations. By understanding how sharks interact and rely on each other, we can develop more effective conservation strategies. This knowledge can inform the design of marine reserves, the management of fisheries, and the restoration of damaged ecosystems. Ultimately, protecting shark social structures is not just about saving sharks. It's about preserving the health and balance of our oceans. Through dedicated research and thoughtful conservation efforts, we can ensure that these incredible creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 7. Challenging perceptions. Sharks as social creatures. The discovery of shark sociality is not just changing our understanding of these animals, it is challenging our perceptions of the natural world. For too long, sharks have been relegated to the role of mindless eating machines. The reality is far more nuanced and fascinating. Sharks are capable of forming bonds, displaying social intelligence, and engaging in complex behaviors that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of mammals and birds. Section 8. Future Frontiers. Unveiling the mysteries of shark sociality. The study of shark social behavior is still in its early stages. Many questions remain unanswered. How do sharks recognize each other? What are the evolutionary benefits of sociality in different shark species? As technology advances and research continues, we can look forward to even more groundbreaking discoveries that will further illuminate the hidden social lives of sharks. Section 9. Conclusion. A new wave of understanding. The revelation that sharks have friends and form social bonds is groundbreaking. For years, sharks were perceived as solitary predators, roaming the oceans alone. However, recent studies have shown that these magnificent creatures are far more complex and social than we ever imagined. They form friendships, prefer companionship, and even have social hierarchies. This discovery is a testament to the wonders of the natural world and challenges our understanding of marine life. It reminds us that even in the depths of the ocean, where darkness reigns, life finds a way to connect and thrive. The ocean, with its vast and mysterious expanse, is home to countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. The intricate dance of marine life, from the smallest plankton to the largest predators, showcases the delicate balance of nature. Every creature, no matter how big or small, plays a crucial role in this underwater symphony. As we delve deeper into the realm of shark sociality, we uncover behaviors and interactions that were once thought impossible. Researchers, armed with advanced technology and a passion for discovery, are at the forefront of this exploration. We not only gain a greater appreciation for these incredible creatures, but also unlock vital knowledge that can help us ensure their survival for generations to come. Understanding their social structures can lead to better conservation strategies. By tagging and tracking sharks, scientists gather invaluable data on their movements, behaviors, and interactions. This information is crucial for creating effective marine protected areas and ensuring the health of our oceans. The future of shark conservation hinges on our ability to understand and protect not just individuals, but also the intricate social fabric that binds them together. Conservation efforts must take into account the social dynamics of shark populations. By recognizing and preserving these social bonds, we can create a more holistic approach to conservation. The survival of sharks, and indeed the health of our entire marine ecosystem, depends on our commitment to understanding and protecting these magnificent creatures.